मैं example देता हूँ, I'm running a hotel maybe, and I'll not report that I've sold a room today. I'll not put it in my record. So if someone has, something has not entered, that is why it is called out of books.
Out of.
If something has not entered my books, it will not be reported.
आपने जो बताए कि बहुत सारे टाइप के टैक्स इवेजन के केसेस आपने खुद हैंडल किए हैं, देखे हैं, बोथ आई थिंक असेसमेंट के समय भी कुछ कुछ निकल के आए होंगे, बट ऑब्वियसली इन्वेस्टिगेशन में बहुत सारे देखे हैं. क्या हमारे व्यूअर्स को बता सकते हैं व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द कॉमन प्रैक्टिसेस जो दिखेंगे यार ये तो बहुत कॉमनली लोग करते आते हैं टैक्स इवेट करने के लिए. सो इफ यू कैन टेल अस फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स कि किस टाइप के लोगों ने कुछ कुछ किए हुए हैं ऐसे.
सबसे इजी जो है टैक्स इवेजन का टेक्निक बिजनेस में ये होता है कि यू इंक्रीज द एक्सपेंसेस. सो revenue is your top line, expenses will determine your bottom line. You squeeze the profit by increasing the bottom line.
Right.
So bogus expenses एक बिल्कुल
गलत बिल
गलत एम्प्लॉई को सैलरी कम देना और मतलब बैंक में दे देना, बाद में कैश में ले लेना. दिस bogus expenses in various businesses is a way to evade tax. Apart from this, you can also do out of books transactions. So these are less, but this happens. So you don't show them in the books. You transact with the people, and you don't report simply. Like मैं example देता हूँ, I'm running a hotel maybe, and I'll not report that I've sold a room today. I'll not put it in my record. So if someone has, something has not entered, that is why it is called out of books.
Out of books.
If something has not entered my books, it will not be reported.
Right.
So that revenue, whatever expense will be booked in any case, but the revenue from that will be my escaped income.
Correct.
So that is one way, but then there are specific. It's difficult to recall many, but this is one part, escapement of income. If I'll recall some specific instances, very unique ones, I'll tell you. But there's other part to it also. The escaped income has to be brought back to be invested again.
अच्छा, हाँ, वो भी होता होगा, I think.
So most often you catch escapement of income when it is coming back to the books.
Okay.
It's difficult to catch the when it is going out. It is easier to catch when it comes back. So earlier it was coming generally in the form of this capital reserves.
So what are capital reserves?
Capital reserves are like you have opened a company. We both have opened a company of 1 lakh rupees. We have invested 1 lakh rupees. The share capital is only 1 lakh rupees that is invested by us. This company is 50,000, 1 lakh rupee company. But then after opening this company, we take some money from other people that will allot shares to you as well, or maybe we'll only invest it and take like 1 crore rupee. And that money is not allotted to anyone. It remains in reserve only. That's why it's reserve only. It is not becoming share capital. It's lying there only for tens of years. So this money generally used to be, not for the, properly working companies, but shell companies usually used to bring back money like this only.
Okay.
Then the other thing is unsecured loans.
Acha.
Unsecured loans, similar. Whatever is crediting into your balance sheet, which is, suspicious. Unsecured loan, if you are taking a loan from a bank of 20 crore or something, it is from bank and it's very difficult to get. But if you are taking 20 crore of loan from some
money
person,
lender,
money lender, not even money lender, when you check that person, you see that he's not filing even return and you're taking 10 crore. So these are the typical, these are a very common way of bringing. So
right.
I think, as I told you, while income is escaping, it's rather difficult. While income is being brought
back,
eventually you will bring back the the escaped income to your books because you want to invest money there.
Yeah.
So there it's easier, especially if someone is trained like that. So they can any credit in your balance sheet. So while it is escaping, you have to see profit and loss account.
Right.
Because it is affecting your expenses or your revenue.
Yes.
When it is coming back, you have to look at the balance sheet. So finding issues in balance sheet is easier.
So therefore, जब आता है पैसा वापस, तब it's easier to catch.
In balance sheet में आएगा credit हो गया. So that is easy. But then these are very generic examples. And very generic across industries. There are industry specific ways of escapement of income, and unique ways are being developed. There are many things.